Hello student, today we are going to start with another important topic of a cyber security, that is security challenges which is to be posed by mobile devices. So in last lecture we are already discussed that what is the cyberspace, cyber crime, and who are the cyber criminal. Also we discussed the types of mobility and trends which are available in the mobility. So what are the different security challenges? So we can't say that the security provided or security required for only computer or PC, but smart devices just like as a tablet or your smartphone also require the security. So mobility brings two main challenges for this security. First, on the handheld devices, information is being taken outside the physically controlled environment, and second, remote access back to the protected environment is being granted. Yes, exactly. Here we are going to grant the permission to the unknown user, because we are going to give permission to the third party to access our network or our credentials. Okay, perceptions of the organization to these cybersecurity challenges are important in devising appropriate security operating procedure. When people are asked about important in managing a diverse range of mobile devices, they seem to thinking of the one show which is to be given in the following figure. But here we say that whenever technology is to be going to be increases widely, at the same time the hackers or darker side also increases. Registry setting for mobile devices. So this thing which is to be performed with the help of synchronization, that is active sync, which is to be available in the Windows. uh, Let us understand the issues of registry setting on mobile devices through the example of the Microsoft Active Sync. So here what we are going to do, we are going to attach your mobile device with the laptop or PC, but simply this thing which is to be performed with the help of hotspot. Okay. So this is the gateway between Windows powered PC and Windows mobile powered device, enabling the transfer of applications such as Outlook information, Microsoft Office document, pictures, music, videos, and multimedia through the with the help of the PCs. Register setting for mobile device. To synchronizing with a PC, ActiveSync can synchronize directly with the Microsoft Exchange server so that user can keep their emails, calendars, notes and contacts updated wirelessly or mobility when they are away from their PC. So these are the things which are related to the registry setting for the mobile device. In next lecture we are going to discuss authentication service security, that is security of devices and security in a network. Thank you.